Okay, so we're going to be working on the difference of squares intro. That's in Mathematics 2. Excuse me, let me turn on my pen here. That's in Mathematics 2 in multiplying and factoring quadratics with difference of squares. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. We have a rectangle, has an area, and we know the width is x plus 4. So I can identify that this is of the form a squared minus b squared. And it's x squared minus 16, so I see that as x squared minus 4 squared. So my a is x and my b is 4. And a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this is going to equal to x plus 4 times x minus 4. Well, I already have the x plus 4 here, and so then this is the other side of the equation, so I need to put in x minus 4 over here. Ding! Okay, factor as the product of two binomials. So I have 1 minus x squared. I can identify this as a squared minus b squared, where a is equal to 1 and b is equal to x. So it's 1 squared minus x squared, okay? And then I know a minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So this is 1 minus x here is 1 plus x times 1 minus x. And it does ask for the product of two binomials, so we put that in here. 1 plus x times 1 minus x. And we get that right. Ding. Let's look at our next one. The rectangle below has an area of 81 minus x squared square meters and a width of 9 minus x meters. What expression represents the length of the rectangle? So I have 81 minus x squared, and I can identify that as the form a squared minus b squared, and where it's 9 squared minus b squared, so a is equal to 9 and b, so 9 plus 9 squared plus x squared. So then a is going to be 9 and b is going to be x. I lost some stuff there. Okay, and I know a squared minus b squared is a plus b times a minus b, so I know that 81 minus x squared is equal to 9 plus x times 9 minus x. Well, I've already got the 9 minus x over here, so I don't need that. I need this 9 plus x. There we go. Last question. Factor as the product of two binomials. So I have 36 minus x squared, and I can see that that's a square minus a square. Whoops. I can see it's 6 squared minus x squared, so a is 6 and b is x. And since a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b, I know that 36 minus x squared is 6 plus x times 6 minus x. And there I just typed that up in type that up in here. 6 plus x times 6 minus x. Alright, and I've got all four problems correct on cos.